day and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lucioma Anyangolu, and today I will be talking to you about 3 products you could process for money. I hear a lot of people saying, I don't know what to process, I don't want to farm, I want to make money in processing, but I don't even know how to go about it. This video is very important for you, and I'll tell you congratulations. So even if you've not thought about going into processing and you're watching this video, congratulations, because you are about to learn money making strategies. Yes, I said it, money making strategies. So I'll just go forward to mention that there are 3 major products you can process to make money. Number 1 is vegetables. See, vegetables is big money. I don't want to start listing so many things. There's so many types of vegetables you could process, but this is something I will tell you. Vegetables can be converted to tea. They are what they use in making the products in the tea bags you see. They can be converted to flour, and the same vegetables can be used to create the liquid version of it, which they use as herbs and so many other things. These vegetables can also be processed dried. Yes, they can be processed very dried, and then their stems are very medicinal. So if you are looking out for things you should process, when you check out any vegetables in the market, do your work, go to the internet, browse about what you can do with these vegetables, browse about drying these vegetables, browse about converting these vegetables to flour, browse about the juices of this vegetable, especially as regards to health and beauty. The second thing you should process to make money in the agricultural sector is fruit. See, there are so many things you could do with fruit. You could convert fruit to juice, you could convert fruit to flour, you could convert fruit to flakes, you could also convert the back of this fruit into different wonderful amazing things. When you talk about flour, because I know some of you are like, who will buy this flour? Let me tell you who are using this flour. Anybody into confectionery business needs fruit flours, because they are natural flavors to whatever they are producing. And also, you're talking about those flakes. These flakes are healthy fruit. And the next video, which is part of the reasons why I want you to click the subscribe buttons, I'll be discussing various fruits and the value added products that can be gotten out of them and who needs them. So if you have not clicked the subscribe button, do that now. The third product that you can process to make money is meat. You can process meat. See, you could process meat into the dried version of it. You could process meat into fresh ones. You could also process meat into flour for spice. So, and you're not asking yourself, meat, why do I want to go into meat? Because there are different types of meat. There is cow, there is goat, there is birds, there are pigeon, there is sheep, there's ram, there's horse, there's camel, there's snail, there's rabbit, there's grass cutter. There are so many things, there are so many meats you can process. So whenever you're looking out for ideas about what you can do to make money in processing, please look out to those 3 things just highlighted in this video, and you will be rolling millions. You want to know more about these ideas, click the subscribe buttons so that you will get notifications when I release my next videos to explain in details how you can make money from this product.